This video is a step-by-step walkthrough of the procedure to launch the packet pump drone, the packet pump client frontend, and to establish a connection between these two. Once the procedure is complete, the GUI can be used to craft and generate packets to the DUT as well as to receive the packets from the DUT. On the left side, uh, the shell on the local workstation or laptop computer from which to launch the packet pump GUI. On the right side, the shell on the remote computer in our lab where packet pump hardware is hosted and the DUT is connected. This is in alignment with the typical deployment scenario that's explained in the deployment slide. Using packet pump for traffic generation requires loading the driver, the kernel device driver, if not already loaded, and launching the drone if not already running. Since we are using 10 Gbps hardware on this computer, the corresponding driver is located in the driver/10g directory. The driver can be loaded by executing the load nic10g.sh script, which is this one. Just make sure that we have Python version 2.x before in this computer before running that script. Now that the Python version is Python 2.7.5, this is correct, and we can launch the load script. The parameters P0 and -P1 correspond to the ports that packet pump will be using. The load procedure is in progress. It's probing various parts of the hardware, and then eventually it will launch the firmware, load it into the hardware, and check for port readiness. So now we have both ports up. As you can see, port 1 is already up and port 0 was brought up. The second part is to launch the drone, and the drone is located in cd pktpump server. We can launch the drone by this command line. The parameter is the signature file to unlock the hardware. And once the drone is launched, we can go back to our local computer or workstation or the laptop and launch the client. The client is located in when you launch the client, this is a screen that you receive, and here we type in the remote host, not the DUT, but the remote host where the drone runs. Now a connection is established, and what you see are the port 0 and port 1 that we launched using the parameter in this file, and we can see both ports here. And this is the procedure to complete this is the procedure to launch the drone and to establish a connection between the front end and the drone so that We can manipulate the ports with streams and packets, etc. Thanks for listening.